Dr. Cat Brown, the medical director at Winona. Inquiring minds want to know, will starting HRT help with your bone and joint health? And the answer is yes. That's the quick and easy answer. But the reason that is because estrogen really helps with bone strength. It helps to rebuild bone. It helps to keep your bones strong, keeps your joints lubricated. Many women start experiencing joint pains and body aches during perimenopause and menopause, and those symptoms do get better. But not only that, by taking HRT and having estrogen supplemented in your system when your body's no longer making adequate amounts, helps to protect you against the development of osteopenia and osteoporosis, which can really be significantly, detrimental to your health overall as you age as a woman. So that's something that's so very important. We need to stay healthy. We need to stay strong, make sure we live the best life that we can as we age. So HRT can definitely help these things.